ExpressVPN Chrome extension tutorial for beginners. Now, ExpressVPN is one of those popular VPNs that can also be installed as a Chrome extension if you don't want to install the app. To do this, whether you're using Google Chrome, Mozilla, Firefox, or whatever other else type of browser it is, you can just go to chromewebstore.google.com on your browser right here, right? So once you go to the respective website, in the search bar, you can simply search for ExpressVPN right here. So once you go ahead and search for ExpressVPN, you will see many VPN applications out there. So make sure that it is the official one, right? So here you can see from expressvpn.com, select that. Now this is just a password manager, by the way. You'll also find ExpressVPN for PC and other stuff as such. Otherwise, from ExpressVPN website itself, what you can do is go to download VPN, select Chrome VPN extension here, select download VPN extension right here. So you have to manually install it. So VPN proxy for a better internet. Now you can just click on add to Chrome option here, click on add extension. It will take some time to download and add it to your Chrome. Once it's done, you'll find the Chrome extension icon right here where you can simply choose to also pin it. Once you pin it, then you can go ahead and then proceed to log in with your ExpressVPN account, and after that you will be able to go ahead and then basically use them. If you want to remove them anytime in the future, you can click the three dots option and select remove from Chrome. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.